how to dropship on TikTok Shop automatically with CJ Dropshipping. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So we will be utilizing this platform CJ Dropshipping, which is a platform dedicated to of course establish a dropshipping business model and allow your different stores to sell different types of product coming from their platform themselves. So CJ Dropshipping, as you can see, looks and built or is built like an e-commerce. You are able to see all kinds of products over here, but these products are for your stores. And in our case, it's for our TikTok shop. So what do we do here? So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to, of course, open and log into your TikTok shop seller center over here because there will be some verification that you would need to authorize. Although for my side, I can't really show that specifically, but I will advise and of course talk about it so you guys should follow. So first things first, over here in CJ Dropshipping, you're first going to create an account here. And after creating an account, this is what you're going to see. And we should then be able to access and utilize all of its different features. So let me zoom in here for a bit. There we go. So what you're going to look for is over here on the left side. So over here are different features. So we have our cart, products, orders, service, authorization, and my CJ. What you want to look for is the authorization because this allows you to connect your platform or your website or your store with CJ Dropshipping. So these are the different platforms that we are able to connect to. So for example, Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, and so on and so forth. And our focus for today is of course TikTok. So there are a few versions over here. So TikTok Shop US, TikTok Shop US Local, and TikTok Shop Non-US. So when you create your seller center, there's basically regions that you have to fill out. And if you have created your TikTok shop in the United States region, you're going to have to select the TikTok Shop US over here. But if you created your TikTok shop outside of US, anywhere it is, doesn't really matter which region as long as it's not United States, simply click on the TikTok Shop Non-US over here. Over here, you're just basically going to authorize the installation. You're going to log in. It's going to redirect you to your TikTok shop, which will prompt you to log into your account. So over here, add store. And over here, there will be some guide over here that you have to do, such as modifying your return and shipping warehouse over here. So, but this is something you could easily do with your TikTok shop seller center. This is why I recommended or suggested that you have it open. So it's basically going to ask you to modify your return and shipping warehouse. Why? Because CJ Dropshipping will be the one providing the product. You don't have the inventory yourself. Because the way it works is that when you get a sale, the contact person or rather the delivery company will go to your place, get the product, and deliver it to your customer. But since we don't have the inventory with our dropshipping platform or dropshipping setup, what you're going to do is you're going to modify it, as you can see here, to this option. So you're just simply going to copy. You can see if you click any of this, it's going to automatically allow you to copy it to your clipboard and just simply paste it. This is what it would look like, as you can see here. You're just going to adjust and add it or modify your warehouse. After that, simply click on OK over here, and you're going to be redirected to your TikTok Shop Seller Center for you to log in. You need to re-log in, as you can see here, similarly to how you logged into your account before, to authorize and establish the connection. After the connection, what you will be able to do is you will be able to check out or do some of the following over here, following features. So let me zoom out over here for a bit. And what we're going to do here is we're going to open our CJ Dropshipping homepage. And now you can just simply browse through your different options or through your different products that you want to add into your TikTok shop. So as an example, I connected my Shopify over here since it's something I could connect easily. So what you're going to do is, for example, see, I really like this shoe over here. I want to sell it onto my store. You can just simply click on list, which will redirect us to the product page over here so we could see more information over here. So what we're going to do is just simply going to click on list store and this option over here. What is this or it will allow us to modify our product information. So if you want to change the title and so on and so forth, you could change that and you could select your store selection over here. So when you successfully connect your TikTok shop, it should appear into one of your stores over here. So easily select them and you should be able to add those products into your TikTok shop. Over here, there are different information, so you can just simply modify them. For example, here, enter your preferred product type, title, so on and so forth. You can modify the current pricing. You can even modify the image and videos over here that you want to transfer. And of course, the same thing with the description over here. If you're happy with everything that you have, simply click on list now over here. Also, we have to enter our price here, but I'm going to recommend it for now. Click on list now. And now it's listing in progress, so we could click on listing here to check it out. But I recommend that you guys look for all kinds of products. When looking for products, it's really good or it's really nice to have a specific niche, so people will be able to recognize your store that this store sells all kinds of kitchenware, something like that. So allowing them to be able to buy as many products as they can from your store if they have everything they need. That's something people would like to love or have, since shipping fee is expensive if there are, especially if you're buying from different stores, they have their own individual shipping fee. So being able to provide everything that a customer need in one page or one shop is going to be very preferred. Anyway, what else can we do? You could take advantage of the available tags over here or gallery, because these are current promos or high or during events. If for, let's say, Valentine's, something like that. If it's currently a holiday or event, it would appear here. And those type of products are typically things that a lot since in the season. So aside from that, also if you check out one of this product, let's say this one over here, if you view one of that product, aside from the fact that you will be able to see their information, you could also have a photo request over here or download. You could also notice that there is a recommended selling site. So depending on what is available here, of course you could add it to whatever site that you want. But these are information or sections that the CJ Dropshipping claimed or thinks that will sell very well if you sell it on these following platforms. So on and so forth. So if you check out our products in Shopify over here, we should be able to see our product from CJ Dropshipping. Still not here, so I guess it's still processing. So listing records over here. We could check out our listing record progress. Pause it. Simply look for any type of product that you want. If you want product, if you want to look for bulk, for example, product, product, and so forth. And if you check out your product over here, be able to see all kinds of products that you have listed, and you can just simply bulk import them into your store very easily. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for watching.